I don't know who I think I am. I just sat here for like an hour and filmed a bunch of TikToks before I even started filming. I'm addicted, you guys. Anyways, hello everybody. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing our BOXYCHARM unboxing for the month of January. I'm really excited for February because I'm always excited to see what they have. Excuse me, phone. I'm always excited to see what they have for Valentine's Day, but let's go ahead and get into our January one. Please ignore my self-tan hands. I even went and bought the Bondi Sand self-tan eraser. Did it work? No, of course it didn't. So the theme for this month is Boxy Refresh. So the first thing that I want to do, obviously, is eyeshadow because that's always the most fun. Please forgive me if my camera goes a tiny bit blurry. Something weird is going on with it. It like goes back and forth. I will try to keep checking on it, but it'll only be a little bit blurry. If it does it, you'll still be able to see. The Wander Beauty Wondrous Escape eyeshadow palette is $42, so that already about doubles the price that we pay for the box. So let's go ahead and get into it. I did look at the colors first because I wanted to know what like lip color to choose. So this is what the packaging looks like. Just very... See, my camera's being weird. Very, like, naturey and pretty. It does have a mirror and it does fold back, which you guys already know I love. And the colors are super, super beautiful. Beautiful shimmers. Like, you see these shimmers here? Like, oh, this is the shit. Oh, that's way more pigmented than I was expecting. Wow. They're like, oh my gosh. Whoa, it's like getting all over there, like anything that I touch because they're so pigmented. That's not what I was expecting. So these are not normal shimmer eyeshadows. These are like pigmented, like foiled shadows. Like that is major pigment shimmer that I was not expecting. And let's just get into it. My brushes are clean, which is a great feeling. So I really like this palette because it has those really pretty dramatic shimmers, but then the rest of it is completely nude and neutral, which you guys know I love me a good neutral palette. So let me get my mirror into formation here. I think I'm going to go in with the shade Nude Beach. So there's a lot of fallout, very dusty, so I'll tap, but I like a soft shadow. I'll take the fallout because soft shadows are always easier to blend. This one is very similar to like the color of my skin right now, which is perfect for a transition shade. So I'm fine with it and cool with it. I just dusted it all over my lid. The fallout is blowing around in front of me though, so keep in mind there is a lot of fallout if you're the kind of person that doesn't like that. I really like the shade Sunkissed, so I'm just going to do the same thing with it. It's a lot more warm, and this is going to give me just a little bit more of like depth. See how you can actually see that one on there? I actually feel like I'm inhaling the eyeshadow, so there's a lot of fallout. Yeah, that's really pretty though. Really pretty, easy to blend so far. I'm going to take Overnight with a dense brush. So this is just a dense e.l.f. brush. Overnight is a chocolatey brown. It is a warmer brown. And I am going to take my dense brush and I'm going to stamp that close to the lash line. And then I'm going to let it rise up a little bit. And then once most of the makeup is off my brush, then I'll start swirling it a little bit. And bringing it just a little bit towards the center of the eye. Oh, that's really pretty. So again, we're stamping it almost in like an eyeliner fashion because that's where I want it to be the darkest. And then once most of the product is off the brush, I will start swirling it in towards the center half of the eye, and that's just kind of creating like a little bit of a cat eye effect with your eyeshadow. You guys see how it's like, I like that, especially when I don't have lashes that are in the cat eye shape. You could do it with your eyeshadow and it gives it to you anyways. So that is gorgeous. I'm loving that. I'm going to take a flat, I don't know why I sound like I'm trying to rush. I'm not deliberately trying to rush. It's just like, it's just a really easy palette. I'm going to take, oh, this is a hard decision. I'm going to take Daydream on a flat top brush. And I'm going to put that on the inner corner of the eye. This is the shimmer. It's kind of like a bronzy gold. And it's not too dramatic on the eye. Actually, it's like a nice, pretty subtle. Like, look at how beautiful that looks. I actually like it because it's not too dramatic where it overpowers like your entire eye look. It actually just complements it. You know what? I'm going to have to set this palette aside and wear it when I go out this weekend because this is beautiful. And I've been trying to get back into like wearing eyeshadow in my regular life because I never do because I'm like always like in a rush and whatnot. But this is beautiful. It just gives you that subtle hint of shimmer that you need. A tiny bit of that darker shade and like smudge it. Let me know if you want to see other tutorials with the other colors. That purple there is gorgeous, and that blue, I'm really interested to see what they look like. But I didn't want to tap into those because I put that neutral lip on already. I'm going to put a little bit of mascara on the lower lash line, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to like move my brush towards the outside only, and that'll kind of angle my lashes outward. If I come close, it doesn't want to focus, but if I'm far away, it will. I don't know, I'll try to work on that for the next video. But anyways, this palette, so far, I am loving it. The shadows are super fallouty, but that doesn't bother me. So I absolutely love it. I think it's totally worth $46 or however much it was. 100% worth it. So again, that's Wander Beauty. I know we've gotten them in BOXYCHARM before. This was like, there's not a lot of makeup in this box. So the only other makeup product is the Dragon Beauty Lip Liner. And this is $18. I didn't even bother looking at the color because a lip liner is a lip liner. Like, it's not going to make or break the makeup look for today. Oh, it's a nude. It's like a nice nude. Okay, cool. Oh, it's super creamy. So that's it right there on my hand. It's a beautiful brownie nude, but not too dark. So this is actually nice, and it's a long pencil, so it'll last a long time. And it's very creamy for a pencil. Like, typically pencils can be super dry. This is not dry. It's very creamy. So I'm very happy about that. Let's see. The next thing I see is the Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches for $50. I love me anything hydrating. You guys know I say it every single time because I have super, super dry skin to the point where, like, I could, like, scratch my eyebrow and, like, dry skin will fall out no matter how much I exfoliate. Like, I don't know what the deal is. Ooh, the packaging is really pretty. And these are eye patches, which is cool. So, it comes with... Oh, wait. Oh, my gosh. So, they're super jelly. They're blue. They're pretty. They're super, super jelly. And it comes with a little scoop, probably because they're so jelly-like that they'll be a little bit difficult to separate. So this is nice. I'm going to remind myself to use this, like, ASAP because it could dry out. It doesn't have, like, it had a layer over it, but it didn't have, like, a peel-off seal. So I just feel like it could dry. But this is, like, luxurious. I love stuff like this to have it in the house so that when you're really stressed out or you're taking a bath or something, you can pop something on your face. So I am very happy with that too. The next thing I see is the Earth Harbor Naturals Nymph Nectar Superfruit Radiance Balm. This is $38. And it's got a bunch of vitamins in it for bouncy, dewy skin, which again, sounds like something up my alley. Super pretty blue packaging again. Only the outside packaging, I guess. So it's this cute little minimalist packaging. This does come with a seal on it, so I'm going to leave that on for now because we get a lot of skincare in BOXYCHARM. It takes me a while to get through it. So I don't want to open it up now and then, like, not be able to use it. It has a teeny tiny, well, it almost looks like there might be a tiny, tiny bit of shimmer to it. But again, it's a balm, so just something to use on your dry face, which I definitely need. I say how much that was, $38. The last item in here is the Item Beauty by Addison Rae Lip Quip Moisturizing Lip Oil for $14. I still can't get over the fact that Addison Rae was a random human being that became famous and rich from TikToks. Why can't that happen to me? Why? Why? Lip oil, typical. Let's see if it smells good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, it smells like peach. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like pure peach. It smells fresh, not too sugary. Smells great. So lip oil, typical. Got nothing to say about that. I'm so OCD, you guys. I'm sorry. I'm like, I have to put the garbage in. I have to put the garbage in. I have to put the garbage back in the box. That was everything that was in our January box. I'm happy with it. It was more like, I felt like it was more skincare rather than makeup, but the eyeshadow palette made up for it because it was so good. And that lip liner was so creamy and such a nude that like everyone could use it. So I feel like it makes up for the fact that there wasn't a whole lot of makeup in there. So I'm very happy with the box. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what variation you got or if you've seen any other variations. Let me know what you want, what you don't want. all the details. I'm going to leave a link down below for I did a makeup haul that I uploaded yesterday of tons of new makeup that I got. So if you want to check that out, I'm going to leave that linked down below. But that is all I have to say. I'm very impressed with this box, excited about the eyeshadow palette, and excited to read your comments tonight. Happy Sunday. Have a good week. Ugh, work. Ugh. Bye. Orange hands.